this is Caitlin, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the triple single bracelet of Rainbow Loom. Here is an example of one. So that's what it's going to be looking like. Okay, first, pick a color for your outside, which will look like this. You don't have to do all the colors. You don't have to do all the colors, but you can do other colors, but here's how you get started. So pick a color. You can do as many as you want. I'm going to be doing red and white for the cardinals. Okay, so what you do first is that you have some rubber bands here, and then you're going to connect them. Okay, so these two pegs, you're going to connect to each other like that. So look like that. And then you're going to do it again. You're going to, these two pegs. And so it's going to look like that. And I'll show you guys one more last time. These two pegs. You're going to do that all the way until to here. Oops. Okay. Oop. After you've done that, the whole thing should look like this. Okay. Similar to that, though. Okay. What you have to do next is you can grab your next color. Mine is going to be white. Mine is going to be white, and what you do is you're kind of going to do the same thing. You're going to start with these two pegs. You're going to connect them together, and these two pegs, connect them, and you're going to do that until this one now. See how I'm doing this? You don't want to rush, because if you rush, it's going to break like this one happened. Oopsies. So you don't want to rush. I need more white. I'm almost done here, only one more. Okay, so now after you have done that, it should look like this, as you can see, if you can see it. So if you're doing red and white with me, it should look like this. Oh, wait, next what you do is you're going to grab your next color. Mine is going to be red again. And then you're going to do the same thing as these two. You're going to connect these two pegs, so it'll look like that. These two pegs. If you guys have done other ones like this, you probably would get the hang of it. So keep on doing that until the very end, like you did with the other ones. Okay, so now it should fully look like this. Okay, what you're going to do now is this for this, you're gonna pick a color to go for the outside. As you can see, this one is white. If you look very closely on like the outside and the inside, that's gonna be your coloring. And you're gonna pick a color. Mine is going to be white. Cause when you do white on the like that, it looks really good. So mine's going to be white. Anyways, okay. So what you do is that make sure your arrows are always pointing forwards until we actually tell you to turn. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna skip these three pegs. And you're gonna go to these two pegs, and you're just gonna connect them with the white one like that. So this, it kind of looks like a T, I guess, if you can see. And you're gonna do that until the end up here, when you're gonna cross up there. So keep on doing that. Okay, so now it should fully look like this. Oops. Okay, what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna pull these back. So you're gonna start from down here, and what you're gonna do is that this line right here, you're gonna pull it back so it looks like an upside down triangle. And then you're gonna do that with this, and then you're gonna do that till the very end. Okay, after you've done that, it should fully look like this. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it around so it's like a real triangle, like it's shaped like a real triangle. And also the arrows are pointing your way. What you're gonna do, now you're gonna need your hook. And you're gonna pull back this white one, if you guys can see. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull back this white one, and you're gonna reach over and grab the red one. It doesn't matter which side, it just has to be on the outside. And then you're gonna take it off the peg, and you're gonna connect it to the peg forward. Here. The first one is tricky. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna pull back the front string, which is the white one, and you're gonna pick up the bottom one, which should be red. And then you're gonna connect it forward. I'm gonna show you guys one last time, and then you can do it by yourself. But it will start to look like this until the very end. So I'm going to show you guys one last time. You're going to pull back the white, and you're going to pick up the red, and then you're going to connect it forward. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it off the peg and connect it to the first peg. And keep on doing that until the very end up here, and I'll tell you guys what the next step is going to be. if you start to do this a lot, it will start to become easier and easier like I did. I pretty much learned this 2 days ago. I can learn a lot of stuff of these really fast, even though I'm a little kid. Okay, almost done here. Oops. Oops. Okay. So now it should fully look like this, similar to this. Now the next step, this part is easy, the middle. So you're gonna do the middle whites. So what you're gonna do is that the middle, like I said, is the easiest. So you're gonna pick up this white one and you're gonna connect it forward. And the easiest thing about this is that you don't have to pull anything back. You just stick down, pick up, and reattach it to the front. So, and I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So you're gonna stick it down here, you're gonna pick up the white one, and you're gonna connect it forward. Do that until the very end up here. Okay, now all together it should look something similar like this. Okay, what you guys are gonna do now is the one that you down here. You're gonna do the same thing that you did over here. But what you're gonna do is, if you guys can see, is that you're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna pull back this white one in the middle. You're gonna reach over, grab the red one, put it forward. If it's kind of hard, you can kind of use your fingers. And then it'll look like that. And then you're gonna pull back this white one at the very top. And then you're going to pick up the red one and pull it forward. And then you're going to do it again. I'm going to show you guys one last time. You're going to pull back this white one, but from here. And you're going to pick up the red one all the way till the very end. Sometimes it can be all the way to the very end up here. So keep on doing that. Okay, now your whole entire thing should look like this, starting from the end. Here. What you're gonna do next is that you're gonna come to here, up here, where we started, but you're not gonna turn it around. Of what you're gonna do is that you're gonna pick up this red one, if you guys can see, and then you're gonna pull it forward to this white one right here. So you're gonna pick up both of the strings, pick them up, and you're gonna pull them forward to the white. So it looks like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing with this red one. You're gonna pick it up, Oops, I only got one here. And so you're gonna pick it up. Oops. And you're gonna pull it forward. It's really tricky. So next what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the color that you use for your for your triangles. You're gonna take one of them. So I have mine. You're gonna put it through, you're gonna put your hook through this hole, nice and deep. You're gonna stick it out. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna need your color. You're gonna pull it through. Oops. You're gonna pull it through. Oh, okay. This is a little hard sometimes. So you're gonna have it like this. You're gonna hook it onto the hook, and you're just gonna pull it up. And when you're up, you should just have this on and not any other strings. And then you're gonna hook that through there, so both strings will be on there. And you're gonna try and get it to here, to the thick part, if you guys can see it. Here. So you're gonna get it to there. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take it apart. It is a little hard to take it apart, so you can use your fingers or you can move it around. Okay. It fully should look like this, if you guys can see. Okay, what you're gonna do, you can set that to the side for now. So now you're gonna do, as you can see with this other one, and this space, these spaces right here. Yeah, that's to help it not be so small. So you're gonna pick another color that goes with this. I would normally do white, because white is a very good color to use. So you're gonna need kind of a few, I guess. So get some white out. That's what I'm trying to do. You're only gonna need really 12 pieces of these. So that's not a lot, but yes, it kind of is. But okay. Next, what you're gonna do after you have these, you're gonna turn it around and make sure the arrows are pointing like this way. So next, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take your color and you're gonna this peg to this peg, these two pegs connected with this. So like you did to make this part, but you're only gonna do it to the end, to here. So keep on doing that. Oops. Okay. What you're going to do now is that this very last one from starting from the beginning, you're going to take this off. What I like to do is that I like to stretch it, and you see this hole, and I put my finger through it, and then you take it off. So it will be around your finger. And then what you're going to do is the very end, you're going to connect it to that last peg. So it's going to be like a little thing hanging out. Next, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna flip it over. So this piece that we made with the whole entire set, it's going to be like with you like to your sides. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna pull this back. You're gonna grab that white one this white one, not these two ones that are the single white one, and you're gonna pick it up and pull it forward. So it's just like what you did with the middle one, but you have to pull this back. And then you're gonna do it again, but you don't have to pull it back. You're just gonna push it through the hole. You're gonna pick the white one up, and you're gonna pull it forward. So it'll start to look like that. Keep on doing that until the very end. Okay, next what you can do is that you can pull these two over here while it is still connected to this one. Next what you're gonna need is that you're gonna need a C-clip, if I can find ours. Next what, here. Oops. Can't seem to find my C-clip, but here. Okay, so you're gonna need some C-clips. You're only gonna need one though. Trying to find where the opening is. There it is. Okay. Oops! Two came out. Here, let me put one back real quick. Okay, so, and you're gonna turn it around again, so you'll be where this is, right where this is, and you're gonna connect the C-clip to these two, right here. So the C-clip will be here, and then you're gonna take it all off. Okay, so it should look like this now. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect the C-clip to over here. And there you go. You have your Rainbow Loom triple single bracelet. Now, comment down below if you want to learn how to make more Rainbow Loom bracelets, and because I can make a lot of them. So comment down below if you would like this. If you like this video, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys really like this video. Bye.